Welcome back to Korean Step by Step. In this lesson, we'll cover reported speech. Indirect reported speech is used to relay what someone said. Statements use dago hada, questions nyago hada, suggestions jego hada, and commands urago hada. For verbs, use nai on dago. For adjectives, dago. And for nouns, to rago. This word means Min-soo said he will come tomorrow. Listening.
민수가 내일 온다고 했어요.
This word means I heard that movie is really fun. Listen.
그 영화가 정말 재미있다고 들었어요.
This word means she said she is a doctor. Listen.
그분이 의사라고 했어요.
This word means they were saying it rained a lot yesterday. Listen.
어제 비가 많이 왔다고 하던데요.
Indirect speech keeps the original tense, but shifts person to the speaker's viewpoint. Negative commands become G malago, mind tense retention, and pronoun shifts. This word means the doctor told me not to overdo it. Listen.
의사가 무리하지 말라고 했어요.
To report a question, use myago muta hada. This word means the teacher asked whether I had finished all the homework. Listen.
선생님이 숙제를 다 했냐고 물었어요.
This word means my friend suggested we eat lunch together. Listen.
친구가 같이 점심을 먹자고 했어요.
This word means mom told me to go to bed early. Listen.
엄마가 일찍 자라고 하셨어요.
Here's a summary table. Let's read the examples.
평서문 스테이트먼트 의문문 퀘스천 청유문 서거제스천 명령문 커맨드 부정명령 애니지. 커맨드
In speech, dagaheo is often contracted to dial. Now, let's practice read these out loud before I do.
민수가 내일 온다고 했어요. 그 영화가 정말 재미있다고 들었어요. 그분이 의사라고 했어요. 어제 비가 많이 왔다고 하던데요. 의사가 무리하지 말라고 했어요.
Great job! Try them again on your own. Let's recap what we covered today. Reporting statements, tense and person shifts, reporting questions, suggestions, and commands. Great work! Practice reported speech with native audio and quizzes at korean.mycorpic.com. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.